Hi, my dear learners. How are you in this pandemic situation? I hope you are well by the grace of. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to take a class about the parts of a sentence, and it is the class for 7. Before going to start the class, I would like to introduce myself at first. I am Mohammad Abdur Rahim, Assistant Teacher of English, Jayanagar High School, Dukchachia. Can you hear me properly or not properly? Tell me. If you face any problem, you tell me. I would like to solve. So, I think everything is okay. Let's start the class. Parts of a sentence. Parts of a sentence. There are two parts of a sentence. There are two parts of a sentence. Can you see what I write on the board? I think everything is visible to you. There are two parts of a sentence. As for, we can say, number 1, subject. Number 2, predicate. Predicate. Be careful and attentive also, because it is an important class for 7. And write down what I write on the board. At first we have to learn about subject. What is subject? Have you any idea about subject? Okay. It will be more clear when I give the definition of subject and predicate also. Subject. What is subject? Write down subject. We can say subject is a doer of the sentence. Very easily we can say subject is a doer of the sentence. Subject is a doer of the sentence. Subject is the doer of the sentence. We can define it in another way, and it will be more easy, I think. For whom about we say is called subject. For whom about we say is called subject. It will be more easy to you in another definition. Generally a subject sits before the verb. Before the verb. Generally, a subject sits before the verb. I will give some example to make it clear what is subject. So write down the examples, what I write on the board very carefully. Okay. Sam is doing the work. Doing the work. We read a book. The fan is moving. The fan is moving. Then he has done well. Done well. Write down the example on your notebook and we'll find out what is subject in these sentences. I have given you 4 sentences. From the 4 sentences, we will find subject. Sam is doing the work. Here, what is subject? Which one is subject? Sam is here subject. The next sentence, which one is subject? Who is subject? In next sentence, the fan is subject. The next sentence is subject. If we ask verb by who, will be subject. Who is doing the work? Sam is doing the work. So Sam here is subject. Who read a book? Answer will be what? We. We read the book. So we is the subject. Sometimes we can ask a verb by what? The fan is moving. What is moving? The fan is moving. So the fan is subject here. Okay? In last sentence, he has done the work. He has done oil. Who has done oil? He has done oil. So he is the subject in this sentence. I think it is clear. Sometimes subject may be larger than predicate, or sometimes subject may be smaller than predicate. Okay? I think it is clear. Now I will discuss about predicate. Okay? Can you see any problem? I think everything is okay and visible. Now I am going to erase it and I will discuss about predicate. What? Predicate. Predicate. Have you any idea about predicate? We will discuss it very clear. So, ready for writing and be attentive also. What the subject is doing is called predicate. You can say what the subject, what the subject is doing is called predicate. Predicate. What the subject is doing is called predicate. It is a very easy definition. We can say in another way, what we say about the subject subject is called predicate. That means what we say about the subject is called predicate. So, ready for writing the example. I will give some example to make it clear. Okay. Example. Examples. They teach us English. Teach us English. She is going to Dhaka. She is going to Dhaka. She is going to Dhaka. The students are playing. The students are playing cricket. The students are playing cricket. The color of his eyes is blue. I have given 4 sentences on the board. From these 4 sentences, we will find out predicate. Okay? So, notice the first sentence. They teach us English. We have to find out predicate. We have to follow verb at first. Here, teach is verb. From the verb up to the last word is called predicate. From verb up to last word of this sentence is called predicate. So this is predicate. In next sentence, which one is verb? In next sentence is going is verb. And from this verb up to the last word is called predicate. Here predicate is what? Is going to Dhaka is predicate. In next sentence, which one is verb? Which one is verb? Here are playing is verb. And from this verb up to the last word is called predicate. Are going, the students are playing cricket. This is predicate. And the last sentence, the color of his eyes is blue. Here, which one is verb? Here is verb. And from this verb up to the last word is called predicate. So, you can say, is blue is predicate. Okay? I think it is clear to you. Now, I will give some example and you have to find out which one is subject and which one is predicate. So, be active and careful, and write down what I write on the board. Okay. The name of our school is, example, the name of our school is Jayanagar High School, Jayanagar JHS. Number 2, Mina is crying. Now, Mina is crying now. Number 3, do we follow the instruction? Do we follow the instruction properly? Number 4, here is the subject. Here is the subject. Sorry, here is the manager, you can say. Here is the manager. Here is the manager. Here is the manager. Okay. Number 5. Shut the window. Shut the window. I have given 5 sentences on the board, and you have to find out which one is subject and which one is predicate. So be careful. We notice the first sentence at first. The name of our school is JHS, Jayanagar High School. Here, what is verb? You have to follow verb at first. Here is verb. So we can say the name of our school is subject. The name of our school is subject. We know that generally a subject sits before the verb. So the name of our school is here subject, and is up to the last word is called predicate. Is Jayanagar High School is predicate. Next sentence, Mina is crying now. Here, what is verb? Which one is verb? Try to find out the first verb. Here, is crying is verb. So we can say Mina is subject here. Mina is subject here, and from the verb up to the last word is called predicate. So is crying now is predicate. Next sentence, do we follow the instruction properly? Here question mark will be used. Do we follow the instruction properly? Here we find verb do and follow. So in this situation we have to find out the subject at first. Here we is the subject and the other parts are called predicate. These are the part of predicate, and it is also a part of predicate. In next sentence, that is number 4, here is the manager. Here is verb. Is verb. So which one is subject here? We know a subject generally sits before the verb, but sometimes a subject may sit after the verb also. Here the manager is subject. Here the manager is subject, and here is predicate. And the last one, shut the window. It is imperative sentence. In this imperative sentence, subject are silent, and here you is silent here. So in this sentence, shut the window is predicate, and in this sentence, you is subject, but it is silent here. Okay? I think everything is clear to you. So you can understand that the class is very helpful for you, and it give you much understanding to learn the subject and predicate. Today I am going to finish my class. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.